What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is NIMU'S. If you're new here, karibu sana. Welcome to another amazing recipe. Manzi, I'm so happy for making this recipe. Yes, it's called the butternut pancakes, like the breakfast pancakes. Yes, those ones. Now I'm baking the butternut pancakes. Pancakes malenge. If you don't know what butternut is, malenge. Yes, and it's going. I know it's going to be an amazing recipe. So let's get ahead to the kitchen and let's do this together. And if you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like it, share, comment, and tell me what other recipe you'd like me to do. And if you're new here, karibu sana. If you've been here since day one, when you support kutoka day one, manze, thank you so much. God bless. So without further ado, let's get ahead to our recipe of today. Butternut pancakes, okay? Yeah, so it's boiling. Let it boil, and then we're going to save the water and then smash it. So on to our first ingredients, we have the butternut. This is what we're going to smash to get the puree. We have the 2 large eggs, we have flour and baking powder here. We have the bowl that we're going to use. We have butternut milk, we have sugar, we have salt, and we have vanilla essence right here. Sorry. Yeah, so those are our ingredients, and so let's get started. So this is our butternut. We're going to smash it with a fork.
I got my bags packed, timeline on track. My winter coat stuck in the closet way back. I won't be needing that.
Now it's ready.
I'm ready to fly down
So
65, hit the coastline in the sunshine. I'm going to find my new high. Hit the coastline in the sunshine.
we're going to add sugar. I'm using 7.5 grams.
Skies on my horizon line, so far from the hurt and the bad
According to your
times.
taste.
I'm feeling so alive. I'm
Then
feeling so
salt
alive.
to taste. Salt, we're going to put a pinch.
I'm ready to fly down 65. Hit the coastline in the sunshine.
We first starting with the wet ingredient first before we put the so that is the vanilla. Just mix up this together. So let's add our butternut milk.
I'm ready to fly down 65. Hit the coastline in the sunshine. I'm going to find my new high. Hit the coastline in the sunshine. I'm ready to fly down 65. Hit the coastline in the
Just in case the flour is so we set it in the powder.
in the sunshine.
And then we put the powder. Okay, now we add our butternut. We whisk until it's consistently. Yes, consist. Yeah, that one. Whisk until it's really like zimeingiana kabisa. That is what I'm trying to say. and it's looking amazing. So add the remaining flour. Please can take the flour. Imeweka kabisa yote. See, it has even retained the yellow color. That is what we wanted. Make sure there is no flour remaining. Whisk kabisa. Yes, now I think it's our mixture is ready to cook. So this is our mixture, so let's get started. We are going to use our pan here, and it's already hot, so just putting the mixture. So we go ahead and pour our mixture. There we go. So we let it burn. When you see the dots like all over, then it's time to saute it. Like after 2 minutes, tunageuza, sawa? Then to let the other side burn for 2 minutes. Then it's done. Okay? You can see it's ready for the bubble, so let's turn it slowly. Yay! Yup, how is it? Even the color itself. Oh, looks so yummy. Can't wait to try. Can't wait to try you. Try you and you're gonna be sweet. Okay. Wow. Oh my god. And yes, guys, our pancakes are ready. And you can see the color itself. Oh, it looks yummy. Time to taste. Time to taste. They are all ready. Even the yellow color. Let's taste them.